Usomabhizinisi u-Thabiso Hamilton Ndlovu uvele enkantolo yeMantshi yase Randburg usukwini layizolo ebhekene necala lokushaya ngenhloso yokulimaza. Lesi sikhulu esingundabuzekwayo kwezamabhizinisi sisolwa ngokushaya intombi yaso ngesikhathi kunengxabano emzini waso eBrainston ngeledlule. Kanti icala lihlehliselwe mhla zingama-30 kuNhlolanja kunyaka ka-2025 ukuze akwazi ukufaka isicelo sebheyili. Kanti uNdlovu yena usagciniwe esitokisini samaphoyisa.
Businessman Uvela Hamilton Ndlovu was remanded in custody by the Randburg Magistrates Court 2 February the 13th, 2025 for a formal bail hearing following his appearance before court on charges of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. The charges relate to an incident that allegedly happened at his place of residence in Bryanston on the 1st of February 2025, where his girlfriend was allegedly assaulted by the accused person, and a case of assault was then registered with the South African Police Service.